Hey guys, very good morning. I Aishwarya and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, wish you a very happy new year to all. May this year brings a lot of success to you in terms of your channel, YouTube channel or health or any other goals you have. May your year be filled with lots of happiness and joy. So today we are going to make these beautiful earrings, and I have made them in the combination of oxidized jhumka and fabric, which is really looking so pretty as you can see. And I'm wearing them with my this innovation outfit, which is literally looking a very you can say outstanding look for them. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make these earrings at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And as you know, I'm really trying a lot to grow out my channel on this platform. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit that subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. What required is satin fabric. I'm taking this pink satin fabric. Then as fabric is pink, I'm taking this pink crystal beads. These are 3 mm. Then these are 0 size golden beads. Laria or sprintles. Oxidized jhumka. So you can take any design of oxidized jhumka, but make sure that this has hole because we have to attach the beads here. Then this is oxidized chain, so it is not proper golden but it is like blackish golden, you can see. Then we need mirror, and this is earring stud, baby bond glue, base, jump ring, then cutter scissor plier. So first of all we'll cut this base a round shape like this. So this is, you can say, a 1 rupee coin shape. And now I'm taking this fabric now, and first I'll measure how much fabric is required to cover this part, and I'll cut that much accordingly. And now with the help of baby bond glue, so I'm taking this glue now, and with the help of this glue I'm going to attach this fabric to there. So guys, you can see I have attached the fabric and this is how it looks. And now we are going to decorate this. For that I'm taking this mirror and chain, and again I'm taking this one. So first I'll carefully add this, and then I'm going to add this one. I'm wrapping it here, and while attaching this, I'll make sure that this part, that is the part of this hook, will come up. So I'm going to attach it like that. So it is like this part will come up. There are lots of videos of fabric jewelry on my channel, so do visit my channel and watch these videos and learn to make this beautiful jewelry. So this has done. Now we'll do the back finishing at the same time. So I'm taking this part up. And we'll keep it here for, and then I'll apply glue over here first. And we'll attach this, and at the same time And at the same time we are also going to add a back finishing cloth, because this we have to hide this one. So I have added the glue, and I am taking this the same fabric, and I'll just bring it from here and then I will press it firmly to make sure that it is getting dried properly. Now we'll wait for this to get dry and we'll keep it aside for a while. Jhumka now. So for that I'm taking this crystal bead. These are golden beads. Then I am taking this laria. So what we'll do is I'm going to cut this laria in half like this, and now I'm going to add one golden bead in this and then one crystal bead. So this is the sequence, and now we are going to attach this dangle over here. So just insert it in any hole and bring it here till the end, till this bead, and from here just make a wrap like this, and make all the wraps till the time this is not getting covered. So yeah, that's it. Now I'll show you again one more. So we are going to take this laria, then insert one golden bead, then insert one crystal bead, and now I leave one space. So we'll leave one space, and that is one hole, and after that I'm going to again insert it in that bead, and again I will close this properly. So likewise we have to cover for the all. So I'll quickly do that and we'll come back to you. If you carefully follow all the steps mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make the earrings. So guys, I have attached these beads to each other, and you can see it's looking so pretty. And now we are going to, so this has dried up, our stud has dried up, and now we are going to cut this extra part. So I'll quickly, so I have cutted this one, and now we are going to attach this jhumka to this. For that I'm making the hole over here right below this with the help of safety pin. You can take any other needle or something like that. And now I'm taking this jump ring, and will insert this jump ring here in this. So I have added this jump ring, and I'm just going to you can see there is a hole for this jhumka. So just insert this jhumka in this hole in this jump ring, and again with the help of plier close it firmly. So yeah, with this, so yeah, that's it. So with this, our beautiful earrings are ready, and these are second earrings. Ta-da! Do try to make these gorgeous earrings at home. If you face any issue while making these earrings, do let me know in the comments below, so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.